Hello, I'm Leyden, and I am the owner of Leyden Lewis Design Studio in interior and architectural design. Welcome to my Midtown East project. This apartment had not been renovated for 30 years. I initially thought, what if we completely took concepts of gallery spaces in Soho and Chelsea and brought it uptown and integrated into a high-rise building on the Upper East Side. I'd love to show you what I've done. The living room was really a place where the owners could come, share an intimate moment, and enjoy their beautiful art collection. The quality of the interior design here is not like normally putting together what is a conventional scheme. The decor is predicted by the items that they've collected and accumulated over time. So this sofa is a sculptural piece. You can see that we have the Blade table with 3 levels by Pierre Chirot. We have the Joyful Yellow Chair by Charles Ray Eames. The coffee table, and actually a pedestal for one of their significant pieces of sculpture, happen to be these African-inspired solid oak sculptural stools. We wanted the lighting to be seamless with the architecture, so it's completely integrated and semi-recessed into the ceiling for a very clean line look. One of the major design elements for the apartment is the use of the reclaimed herringbone oak floor throughout the entire apartment. The dining area really is the fulcrum of the apartment. It's where the living room area, office, and kitchen meet, and all the functions around eating happen here. With that in mind, the use of the round table underscores the fluidity from one space to the other. The use of the Phillips Stark leather chair, actually with its single leg, I think is really wonderful and sculptural. Behind me is a space that is completely flexible. Its primary use is used as an office for the majority of the time. I designed a recessed wall that, when closed, creates a guest bedroom. Between the living room and the bedroom, there's actually a clear clerestory that returns on an L shape that's clear glass, and though it's visually connected, it is actually physically separated through the use of clear glass. In the bedroom, I wanted to continue the same design concept used throughout the entire space with clean, modern lines and efficient use of space. One of the things we did is we built in a headboard which allows for storage for extra bedding and also allowed for night tables to be off the floor. The night tables are actually recessed like a drawer. One of the requirements for the apartment was the availability that all surfaces could possibly hang art. That said, I designed large sliding wall surfaces that conceal storage while still being able to hang art. As an interior designer, I really pride myself on working with my clients collaboratively. Introducing museum quality pieces of art into the residences and the spaces that I design, it's really, really inspiring. I hope you've enjoyed what you've seen here.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?